Good day to everyone. I am Marcinli B. Soriano from BSIT1F. And sa previous video, we've discussed the differences between a hub and a switch. And ngayon naman is alamin natin kung ano ba yung kayang gawin ng router. And at the same time, we'll also establish a inter-LAN connection between the switch na yung una ko nilagay, si LAN 1. And then later on magdadagdag tayo ng isang switch, no, si LAN number 2. Ayan. LAN number 2 switch. Okay, so now that we've placed those two switches, let's put 3 end devices lang, no, para mas maging organized yung workspace natin. Since we're going to discuss lang naman yung importance ng router when it comes to inter-LAN connection. So ayusin lang natin, no, para pantay siya. And then sa kabilang side, kay LAN 2. Ayan. PC 4, 5, and 6. And then we're going to connect these devices sa ating switches, and gamitin ko na lang easy connect para mabilis, pero we're going to use syempre yung straight through cable since a switch and a computer is not the same type of device. And let's wait for them to para mag green, no, para makapag lagay tayo ng IP address and gumana sila parehas. Ayan. Now that we've established a LAN, no, isang LAN sa kabila, sa left side, no, ganun din sa kabila, no, we're going to assign an IP address dito later on. Yan. Pero pangalanan lang muna natin siya, si LAN 1 na meron siyang IP scheme na 10.10.10.0 and its subnet mask is 255.255.255.255.0. And then let's just assign an IP address 10.10.10.1. Okay, also nakalimutan ko, 255.0.0.0 pala, pasensya. Ayan. And then let's put this IP address kay PC2 10.10.10.2 and kay PC number 3 lagyan din natin siya ng 10.10.10.3. So these two LANs later on, no, they're going to have two different IP schemes. Sa left side, no, kay LAN 1, magkakaroon siya ng IP scheme na 10.10.10.0 and the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0.0. And so dito naman sa right side, no, lalagyan natin siya ng IP scheme na 192.168.1.0. Yan. And then lastly, 192, kinapi ko na lang para mabilis, no? .3 yung dulo niya. Okay. Dito sa kabilang side, no, kay LAN number 2, yes, we put what I said earlier. And then yung subnet mask niya, no, is ay maklik. Oh, okay. Is 255.255.255.0. So now that we've established these two LAN connection, no, ang gagawin natin is we're going to ping ang bawat IP config natin para makita natin yung IP address na we've assigned. And then let's try to ping yung other devices na connected kay LAN number 1, kay switch number 1 I mean, no? So okay, good siya. Then goods din, no? Yung next PC. Dito sa other side, no? Try natin na i-ping yung PC number 2. Okay, so 0 packets lost. And same thing goes with the other computer, and we try to ping it. Okay, so our two LAN networks, local area networks, are working perfectly, working fine. But what we're going to do now is to i-coordinate natin itong dalawang LAN networks na ito by using a router. So ano nga ba yung router, no? Si router, it stores a routing table, no, para sa devices, okay, na mga naka-connected dito. And a router is working at the layer 3 device, which is the network layer. And one good thing about this router, is it connects us to the internet, where a lot of devices and a lot of IP schemes are incorporated, So we're just checking, yung router. And then we'll try to assign an IP address for our switch. Okay, let's put 10.10.10.4, and then subnet masks. Nag-automatic na siya. Then i-turn on lang natin siya, Yan, so makikita natin mag-green siya. And that other orange circle is wait lang natin siya mag-green. Sa other side naman, kay gigabit Ethernet 0/1, maglagay tayo ng IP address na 192.168.1.4, and the subnet mask is as is na siya. So let's wait for those two circles to turn green, and then we'll try to use these devices to communicate with each other, or these two LAN connections, na mag-interact silang dalawa. So para hindi tayo malito, lagyan na natin ng label yung bawat computers kung anong IP address na inassign natin sa kanila. Ayan, C192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.2, 192.168.1.3. Ayan. Dito naman is 110.10.10.4, and dito sa side na ito 192.168.1.4. Ayan, ayusin lang natin siya, pantay natin na para nakatapat siya. And what we're going to do next, since we've connected these devices, let's try na i-ping natin yung kabilang computer, si PC number 4. Okay, 192.168.1.1. So sabi request timeout. So yung reason kung bakit yung nangyari ito, nag-request timeout siya, is because we haven't set a default gateway para sa mga PCs natin dito sa LAN number 1 natin, sa mga computers na ito, In order for them to communicate with the other LAN network, kailangan merong default gateway na naka-assign, and that default gateway will be the IP address that we've set doon sa ating switch. So 10.10.10.4, let's copy those IP addresses sa ibang computers na pinlace natin sa workspace. No? And then dito sa kabilang side, what we've inputted was ito, yung IP na yan. So i-copy lang. Type natin 192.168.1.4. Let's copy that and paste it dun sa ibang mga computers, no? So after we've done this, and sure na yung bout computers na connected sa device, sa switches natin, no? Or in other words, yung LAN 1 natin and then LAN 2 is magko-communicate na siya about isa. Let's try to ping it again one more time. Si PC1. Okay, nag-request timeout siya sa una. So, sa first try talaga, yung first time nila mag-interact, i-ping each other, is magkakaroon ng request timeout. But then, sa second try, magkakaroon na ng successful ping, which is 0 packets lost. So, same thing goes dito sa ibang mga computers. Let's just try that. Sa kabilang side naman, kay LAN number 2. Ping natin si PC number 2. Let's wait a bit. Ayan, request timeout sa una, and then yung 3 consecutive na mga tries is gumana na siya. Let's try that again. So, 4 packets received. Okay, goods tayo dyan. No losses. So, that's how we can establish, no, an inter-LAN between 2 different LANs with 2 different IP schemes. Let's try using naman sa simulation mode, no, ang PDU, or in other words, Protocol Data Unit. Okay. So, magsasend tayo. Dumaan siya sa router. And then, next step niya is dun sa switch number 2 natin, or sa LAN number 2 switch. And then, direct na siya kay PC number 4 sa kabilang LAN. Then, for acknowledgement, it will return yung PDU na ito. Okay, so 100% successful yung ginawa nating inter-LAN connection between 2 switches, ano? Yan. Ayan. So, same thing. Ganun pa din yung reset natin ulit siya. And then, let's try naman using a different computer, no? Kay PC2, magpapadala siya ng PDU kay PC number 5. And let's just skip, no? Play lang natin. Next natin. Okay. Si Ping PDU ang ating pagmamasdan ngayon. And then next, okay, na-receive na ni PC number 5. And then for acknowledgement, ibabalik lang niya ito. Ayan, and then there we have it, no? We've established this connection, an inter-LAN connection between or using a router, I mean, no? And si PC number 6 naman, try natin na mag-send siya sa kabilang LAN network. Si Brown PD ang titingnan natin ngayon. Okay, dumiretso siya kay PC number 3. Ayan, successful ulit, no, yung nagawa natin. So yun lang, no? That's all for today's video, and see you sa next video natin.